Hi Emily, I saw your post on learning how to change colors and I wanted to just help you out real quick. What I've done here is just whipped up a little bit of single crochet. I did chain 10, 9 single crochets, and then I worked to the end here in single crochet. And then I'm going to show you how to change colors of your single crochet here in this last stitch. So I'm going to start just like I was going to start my next stitch. Put your needle in, yarn over, pull up a loop, but stop right there. Okay, hold on to it, drop your working yarn, grab your new color, got a little purple here, lay it over your hook, leave a little bit of a tail so you can weave it in, and pull it through. And there you go, you have it, you've changed colors. Now I'm going to do my chain, I'm going to turn, and I'm going to work with my new color, a single crochet, just to give you a good feel for what it looks like. And there's your color change right there. Once you weave these two in, you'll never be able to tell. That's what it looks like. Now, if you're changing colors in double crochet, the premise is the same. You just want to change the last point in the stitch, so I'll show you that. So I'm going to work 2 double crochets just to get a start here. 1, 2. All right, now I'm going to change colors. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, and then go through the first 2 loops. Then I'm going to stop there and hold on to it. Drop your yarn. Grab your third color or next color, whatever the case may be. Got a little tangle there. Let me grab the other side. All right, leave a tail so you can weave in, lay it over and hold it, pull it through, and you've just changed colors. Now go ahead and work another stitch, double crochet, oops. And I'll show you what it looks like. Pull that tight. And that's what you got. Can't even tell. I'll show you what it looks on this side. Once this gets weaved in and this gets weaved in, it'll look just like you magically changed colors. I hope this helps. If there's something else I can help you with, let me know.